Good morning, children. Today we will continue chapter 6, our climate. Last time we have studied about weather and climate, seasons in India. There are 3 seasons in India: winter, summer, and monsoon. And last time we have studied about winter, and today we will continue with summer season. The summer season begins from the beginning of March and continues till the end of June. It starts from March until June. It gets very hot in May and June. In winter season, it is cold in January and December, and in summer it is very hot. It is hot, but it is very hot during May and June. The days are longer than the nights. During winter season, days are short and nights are long. And during summer, days are longer than the nights. Means days are longer and nights are shorter. Every part of India except the northern mountains experiences hot and dry weather. Means during summer season, whole India experiences hot and dry weather. मीन्स भारत में गर्म मौसम रहता है सिर्फ कुछ पार्ट्स को छोड़ के. नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स लाइक उत्तराखंड, शिमला, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, they experience cold weather, and other parts of India experience hot and dry weather. Hot and dry winds called loo. These loo you are experiencing nowadays also. गर्मियों के टाइम पे लू चलती है, गर्म हवाएं जो चलती हैं, एंड दे आर कॉल्ड लू. ब्लो ओवर मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. स्पेशली इट ब्लो ओवर मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. वी ऑल्सो लिव इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. वी लिव इन उत्तर प्रदेश, एंड उत्तर प्रदेश इन ऑल्सो नॉर्थ साइड ऑफ इंडिया. डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स आर कॉमन. डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स मीन्स जो धूल भरी हवाएं होती हैं वो कॉमन होती हैं इस टाइम पे. The southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on 3 sides, is less hot. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Some areas get heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. Means southern part of India. Means the states which are in south part of India, and they are surrounded by the sea from 3 sides. Mainly coastal areas. They are less hot because of sea. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Means जो ठंडी हवाएं चलती हैं समुद्र की तरफ से, उसकी वजह से वहाँ ठंडे रहता है, मौसम ठंडा रहता है. Some areas get heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. Some areas of India get heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. Means summer के last time तक कुछ जगहों पे भारी वर्षा होती है. समर इज द सीजन ऑफ मैंगोज ऑल्सो. नाउ-अ-डेज ऑल्सो यू आर ईटिंग मैंगोज. यू विल गेट मैंगोज easily nowadays because this is also summer season. Monsoon. The monsoon season start in June. In some parts it begin in July. Mainly monsoon is mainly a rainy season. It starts in June and in some part it starts in July. The season continues till the middle of November. Means it starts from June until the middle of November. Winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. Means during this time strong winds हवाएं चलती हैं अरेबियन सी एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल से लैंड की तरफ. They are called monsoon winds. Means the winds which blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land, and they are called monsoon winds. They carry a lot of moisture. Moisture means water vapor. They cause rainfall in most parts of India, and these monsoon winds are the reason of rainfall in most parts of India. Means इन्हीं हवाओं की वजह से इंडिया के बहुत सारे हिस्सों में बारिश होती है. रेनफॉल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज हाईली अनइवन. मीन्स समवेयर इट इज़ लेस एंड समवेयर इट इज़ high. Part of Meghalaya receive about 800 centimeters of annual rainfall, while some areas in Rajasthan receive less than 10 centimeters of rain in a year. Means some parts of Meghalaya they receive heavy rainfall and Rajasthan receives very less rainfall. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry from June to September. Here it rains between November and January. Means the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. There the areas of the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu receive rain during November and January. And this time they remain dry. Plums, peaches and cherries are available during this season. Means these are the main fruits of this season. Plums, peaches and cherries. Now we have finished here this chapter. Then here are words to know. Drought. Drought means a long period of dry weather with very little or rainfall. No rain means drought. Moisture. Here the meaning of moisture is water vapors. And here given tick the correct answers and fill in the blanks. Do them in your book. And words to know, learn and write in your rough copy also.